Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the A sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The A sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word or at the middle of the word, like nên, or at the end of the word, like ghế. Now let's see how to pronounce the A sound. First, tip of your tongue is placed right behind the bottom front teeth. The body of your tongue rises up but doesn't touch the hard palate. Your tongue should be relaxed and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth partially, stretch the lips slightly and keep them relaxed. The A sound is a long sound, so we have to prolong the sound inward. And the most important thing about the A sound, that it is a throaty sound. So you have to make the sound as if uttered deep in your throat, like nên, ghế. Now let's practice saying the A sound in word. First, the A sound at the beginning of the word. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is êm, êm. Now the A sound at the middle of the word. Đêm, đến, kêu, đều, theo, bến, hết, kiến, chiến, miến, hiểu. Now the A sound at the end of word. Bế, để, lê, kể, dễ, ghế, nghệ, khế, tế, êm đềm, đế chế, bề thế, biến thể, hiến kế, ê chề, kiềm chế. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the A sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. I'm going to say the sentence very slowly at first, then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Thế, đến, chơi, đế, chế, trễ. Now a little bit faster. Thế, đến, chơi, đế, chế, trễ. Now with normal speed. Thế, đến, chơi, đế, chế, trễ. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.